Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. TV unit design. This is one of the most popular TV unit designs, and this is a complete setup for a TV unit. I'll explain about the TV setup also. First, about the wood. This is in teak wood, teak finish, high gloss, and this is completely plain. This doesn't have any artistic work that we normally do. The carving work and the flowers, leaves, petals design that we normally make in our furniture. This is a pure plain model, and this has got three parts. One is a side unit, this one, then a middle part, and the third side unit on that side. So that makes it a complete unit. The size. The middle unit is 6 feet wide, left to right 6 feet, front to back this is 18 inches, and the height of the platform from the ground is 21 inches. This is 6 feet high, 18 inches square. That is the complete size of the unit, so that covers 9 feet of area, 18 inches this way, and the height 6 feet. This is the complete dimension for all the three parts. It has got nice storage area, 3 drawers here, 3 drawers there, and 3 drawers, 9 drawers in total. Quite handy storage, and then open area for your set-top boxes or other items you want to keep there. Now coming back to the TV unit that we have in the middle. Normally, the question that we have is, if we have this size of TV, what would be the optimum size, a proper size for a TV unit? Now, let me explain here. Whenever you get a size from a TV person, from a LED size or the box, let's say you have 65 inches of TV that is mentioned on the box. The TV unit, the TV guys give you the size that is a diagonal size. So one corner to the other upper corner, this way, the diagonal size is the size that they provide. What we require is left to right and the height. Mostly that is available everywhere. If you go on internet and type what is the size of a 65 inches TV, you will get length and height. That way it works. So 65 inches TV, that is around 5.5 feet, would have the size left to right around 5 feet. So anything more than 5 feet is good enough for the TV area. Now about the placement of the TV. The LED can be either placed on the top with the stands, or it can be placed on the wall, here or on the wall. If you're placing it on the unit, this is a good size. Still you can go for a little higher side also. So you can go for 24 inches or even 30 inches size. That works fine. But if you're placing it on the wall, this is a good size. Because the basic is, when you are sitting in front of the unit, it should be comfortable to watch the TV. You don't require your neck to be going upwards or downwards. Both the cases, it would be not very comfortable. So when you're watching TV, it should be on the eye level. Now the eye level is decided on the other side. Whether you have a sofa, you have a bed, or a couch, whichever item you're using, on the opposite side to sit on, and the distance also, how far is it from the sitting place. Accordingly, the height of the eye level is measured. Let's say you are sitting around 7 to 8 feet apart from the unit. So 4 feet high is a good height where you can place the TV. It should be the center of the TV when you are watching it. If you are sitting on a bed, the bed is generally higher. Bed is around 24 inches, 22 to 24 inches high. So accordingly, the height of the unit goes higher. Basically, these are the 2 points that you need to consider when you are putting a TV unit. The rest is the designing part, the sizes, outer and the width, all these sizes put together, you get to finalize the TV unit. About the width part, these days LEDs are very slim. So this width doesn't matter much. You can go for a leaner thing also. If you want to put something really bigger or something like a vase or a designer item on the corners, you can go for wider also. But as such, the width doesn't matter much. The unit here, sizes I've explained. The TV part, how it works, I've explained. If you have any question, you want to understand something or you still have a doubt, you can contact us. We'll be happy to explain it. Colors, if you want something else, you want a darker shade as per your other furniture, or you want to go for colors like gold, silver, copper, white, off-white, champagne, multicolor, dual color, triple color, all colors we have available. We have made the units and we have displayed that on videos, in videos, and also on the website. Approx 600 videos we have on the YouTube to give you the complete showcase of what we are doing. This one is going to Chennai. Any part of India you want the unit, we can deliver it to your place. We are working everywhere inside India. Out of India also, we are delivering to most of the places. If you have any inquiry, please contact us and we can arrange home delivery or port delivery as per your requirement. Simple stuff, plain stuff, but in teak wood, high gloss finish, and the quality of Aarsun. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please contact us. We'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you. Dhanyavad.